Hello guys, in today's video I'll be showing you how to get free traffic for your affiliate marketing business. To make a lot of sales, then you need to generate a lot of good traffic to your affiliate link. So I'll be showing you how to get this traffic step by step for free with these two free websites. Make sure you watch it to the end to be able to do it yourself and keep getting this free traffic forever. If you don't know what affiliate marketing is a business model where you sell other people's products, either physical or digital. You can decide to promote any product from any niche, but always select a niche that aligns with your interest and expertise. And also, don't forget about your audience. With that being said about affiliate marketing, the next thing is your keyword research. You need to make research about the product you are promoting, if it is what people want and how they are searching for it, which leads us to the first website to generate our free traffic, which is Quora, which is a question and answer platform with over 100 million monthly users. You sign up if you don't have an account with either your Google account or Facebook and log in if you have. So go to the search bar and input your keyword into it. For example, we'll be using logo design, and these are the questions people are asking about logo design. So all I have to do is to give an answer to this question so that people looking for it can see my post and later click on my link. Don't worry, we'll be writing our answer with the help of AI. So you go to ChatGPT to write this article for you. Simply go to chat.openai.com and register if you haven't registered on ChatGPT. So I will be prompting my ChatGPT to write me an article that is 1000 words long on this topic, how to find a logo designer. Make sure you write it in a human and friendly language and make it compelling to read, and in less than a minute you have your article ready. So I will copy the article and head over to Quora to post my article, and after pasting you add your affiliate link to the article so that anybody that read it and need it will click on it. So the second website will allow you to rank on Google searches and also show your content to its audience, and this website is called Medium. This is more like a blog hosting platform where you can post your article to over 100 million monthly users and also have the chance to rank on Google searches. To get started, create an account on Medium and log in. Then you go to write and paste the same article there and hit publish. These two websites will keep generating traffic for you. If you keep using it, and don't forget, keep posting there, the more articles, the more traffic you generate. If you are new to this channel, I share videos on how to make money online, so click on the subscribe button and like this video. And if you want to start affiliate marketing on Seller, watch the video showing on the screen.